Hello, I'm Cynthia from Locksley Distilling Company. Welcome to our cocktail series. Today I'm going to be making a red hot robin, which features our flagship gin, Robin of Locksley, and also this lovely local product called Khoo's Golden Hot Syrup. It's sweet but spicy and gives the cocktail a really nice kick. So I'm going to start. It's going to start with 60 milliliters of Robin of Locksley gin. Five milliliters of the Khoo's hot sauce. $15 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime. I like to squeeze it fresh. And then a handful of fresh basil, which I'm going to just throw right in. It's going to be strained, so you don't have to worry about the stems going in, a good handful. Often people will muddle fresh herbs, but with a delicate herb like basil, if you muddle it, it will get kind of a bruised and bitter flavor, so the ice will bash it enough in the cocktail, so you don't need to do that. And then I'm going to get some ice. And I'm going to give that a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds until you get a nice chill on the outside of the tin. I can feel it starting to go cold, and you can see condensation on the outside of the tin, so that means it's ready. And then I'm going to double strain that into a pre-chilled coupe glass. So any of those basil bits or little bits of ice will stay behind in the strainer. And that lovely green color from the basil comes through. And then I'm going to garnish that with a little bit of lime zest and a chili pepper. And there is your red hot robin. Cheers.